As temperatures soar, 115 people seek medical care during McConnell Air Show. Wichita Eagle. 17 people were taken to a hospital. Below are your comments. I would have liked to have gone if it hadn't been so hot out. But dealing with the heat, crowds, hunting for a parking space and then hiking for ages to get to the event and then back to your car, it would have been pure insanity on a triple-digit day. I don't get why people don't understand. You need 2 liters of water every 1.5 hours, max sunscreen, and electrolytes. They know but think they are invincible. Anyone at this airshow is crazy. I always go but no way this year. Wrong weather. With sun shining, this is like 130 plus 80 dew point, which means nobody lasts long. Middle of August in Kansas. Sounds like a great time of year to have an air show. Let's not check the weather and then go hang out on a giant concrete parking lot. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.